Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the next classification of haloalkane based upon hybridization. In last class we already studied about the classification of haloalkane based upon number of halogen atom. In haloalkane molecule, number of halogen atom, haloalkanes are following type like a monohaloalkane, dihaloalkane, trihaloalkane and a polyhaloalkane. सेकेंड नंबर पे जो हमने बेटा लिया था डाइहेलोएल्केन, जिसको हमने 4 टाइप से डिवाइड भी किया था. नंबर 1 जेमिनल, नंबर 2 विशनल, नंबर 3 अल्फा बीटा एंड नंबर 4 अदर डाइहेलोएल्केन. टोटल नंबर ऑफ डाइहेलोएल्केन बेस्ड अपॉन नंबर ऑफ हेलोजन मॉलिक्यूल in whole type, number of halogen atom 2, and definition of geminal dihaloalkane. If two halogen atom are present on same carbon, two halogen atom are present on same carbon in dihaloalkane molecule, then compounds called geminal. Vicinal, in dihaloalkane molecule, two halogen atoms are present on two regular carbon, then compounds called vicinal dihaloalkane. If in dihaloalkane molecule, two halogen atom are present on first and last carbon, then compound called alpha beta dihaloalkane. ये ऑलरेडी हम पिछले ही क्लास में पढ़ चुके हैं बेटा. आज हमने स्टार्ट किया है क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ हेलोएल्केन बेस्ड upon hybridization. And number 1, if halogen atom attached with sp3 carbon, if halogen atom attached with sp3 carbon, and we know in sp3 hybridization total number of sigma bond are 4, and these are formed by carbon atom. So number 1 alkyl halide, number 2 allylic halide, and number 3 benzylic halide. If halogen atom attached with sp3 carbon, then halogen derivative are 3 type. Number 1 alkyl halide, number 2 allylic halide, and number 3 benzylic halide. Now number 1, which compound are alkyl halide? If a halogen atom attached with the alkyl group, then compounds called alkyl halide. For example, we have molecular formula of CH3X. It's called methyl halide. In methyl halide, halogen attached this carbon, and this carbon formed by 4 sigma bond. So hybridization of a halogen attached carbon is sp3. Okay? क्या डेफिनेशन दी बेटा मैंने? If halogen atom attached with alkyl group, then compounds called alkyl halide. General formula of alkyl halide is CnH2n plus 1x. General formula of alkyl halide is CnH2n plus 1x. Here n denote the number of carbon atom in a halogen derivative. General formula of alkyl halide is CnH2n plus 1x and denote the number of carbon in halogen derivative. For example, if number of carbon 4, then write the molecular formula of alkyl halide. क्वेश्चन बोल दिया बेटा मैंने एक आपको. If number of carbon in halogen derivative 4, then write the molecular formula of alkyl halide. ओके आपको क्या करना है, n को 4 डालना है उसमें. फॉर्मूले में n 4 दिया तो C4H9X. C4H9X इज द 4 कार्बन एल्काइल हैलाइड फॉर्मूला। कैसे बनाया इस फॉर्मूले को? मैंने इस फॉर्मूले को फॉलो किया बेटा CnH2n+1X को, जहां n डिनोट करता है किसको? नंबर ऑफ कार्बन को। ओके, नेक्स्ट इसी एल्काइल हैलाइड में मैं क्या बता रहा हूं उसको और ध्यान से सुनिए। बेस्ड अपॉन डिग्री एल्काइल हैलाइड से आर 4 टाइप। बेस्ड अपॉन डिग्री alkyl halides are 4 type and these are super 1 degree. Another name of super 1 degree is 0 degree. Number 2 primary or 1 degree. Number 3 secondary or 2 degree and tertiary or 3 degree. Based upon degree alkyl halides are 4 type: 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. CH3X. Here X or halogen atom attached with CH3 and CH3 have no any carbon are attached. It means no side any one carbon, so degree of this alkyl halide is 0. Another example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2X. It's also alkyl halide because in this compound halogen atom attached with sp3 carbon due to 4 sigma bond formation, and it's 1 degree alkyl halide. Why? Because halogen atom attached this carbon and this carbon have only one side other carbon are present, so 1 degree alkyl halide. Next example, halogen atom attached with also sp3 carbon, but this sp3 carbon have another side and two another side are carbon present. It means based upon degree this alkyl halide is a 2 degree or a secondary. Halogen atom attached this carbon and hybridization of this carbon is sp3 and sp3 carbon have two side another carbon are present, then compounds is a 2 degree. Last example, in this example halogen atom attached with sp3 carbon due to 4 sigma bond formation, but this carbon have 3 side another carbon are present. It means it's 3 degree or tertiary alkyl halide. It means if halogen atom attached with alkyl group, then it's called alkyl halide. General formula of alkyl halide is the CnH2n+1, CnH2n+1X. Here n denote the number of carbon in molecule. For example, C4H9 have total number of carbon 4. It means number of n is 4. After then, based upon degree, alkyl halides are 4 type: 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. 0 degree means halogen atom have only one carbon. 1 degree means halogen atom have attached one side another carbon are present. 2 degree means two side another carbon are present, and 3 degree means halogen atom attached with sp3 carbon and this carbon have 3 side another carbon are present. ओके बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम स्टार्ट करेंगे इसमें एलाइलिक हैलाइड को. थैंक यू.